As a spiritual practitioner, we gain newer and newer experiences in life. I'll give you 3 beautiful new experiences that I'm having after having been a meditator for the last about 40 years or so, from 1984 to 2025 now. 41 years I have been meditating. I've been a Kundalini meditator. Of late, number one, I am beginning to realize that I am choosing desires that are beneficial for the world. I'm beginning to constantly ask myself, is this desire going to remove the pain of others in the world? For instance, why would I want to make money? I want to make money because my son needs it, my daughters need it, and my Swamiji's World Community Service Center and the meditation centers need it. I need it in order that I can lead a peaceful life. But I don't have any great materialistic desires for myself. The second is I constantly ask, will this cause pain for others if I do it? I try to remove pain as much as possible. If I am taking on new relationship, if I am buying a new product, if I am getting a new experiences in my life, I ask myself, will this hurt others? I ask my children, will this hurt you? And I try to sit down with them and explain to them as to why I am doing something like this. And as much as possible, I try to not cause any pain for my immediate relatives, particularly my children. They are the most precious things in my life. The third most important thing that I look for is, can I try and be of service for the greater good of the world? For instance, my students. Why am I on a Sunday morning at around 6:30, I am sitting in the studio today and I am starting my recording? I don't need to do this. I had worked till around 11 o'clock on a Saturday night. I had my classes and I had 2 classes yesterday and I finished the classes and I'm here doing recording on a Sunday morning. And the reason why I'm doing it is I want to be of service to you as my students, as my fellow followers and fans, and as my fellow meditators. And I want you to benefit from the journey that I'm having. Now, this has been my constant urge to want to get a better version of myself every day. And this is the beautiful journey of consciousness. This comes to you only when you have a spiritual awakening. When your Kundalini is awakened, your spirit is awakened. It is searching for a higher existence and a higher purpose in life. You too can experience it. Be blessed by the divine.